Now, News 13 Skywarn weather.
These are interesting times for us weather-wise. Obviously, we had that huge storm earlier in the week, and now we're getting ready for a bunch of little guys to come through. As far as what happens for tonight, we'll have some clouds around, a brief snow shower, a possibility for us, but it's not the kind of situation we're going to see a lot of snow. Better chance at seeing some more significant accumulations over the weekend, but a few flurries up into our area will be a possibility with highs tomorrow in the 30s. In fact, right now we are picking up a few snow showers in the west central mountains of New Mexico. A few of these trying to get going in the Jemez and southern San Juans. Not much success yet, but there is that possibility as a weak weather disturbance kicks through that we could grab a snow shower tonight over the San Juans, maybe an inch or so, but not anything that's going to be a real big deal. For the most part, just mostly cloudy skies, 3 below for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, and then tomorrow, 32, mostly cloudy with a cold afternoon on the way. Again, we're going to keep some of those clouds going because of these weak weather disturbances that continue to kick their way through. 9 for tonight, partly to mostly cloudy in Farmington, and then tomorrow, 36 degrees, and we'll keep the clouds around as well. None of this stuff all that impressive, but it was a cold morning across and through the Durango Mountain Resort, rather easy for me to say. James sent this picture in. Beautiful stuff. Durango opening up this weekend and should have pretty good conditions for it as well after that latest storm, and more snow on the way, I think, especially over the weekend. 20 in Durango, 31 Farmington right now, 26 Cortez, 31 in Grants. Here's that little weather disturbance kicking through now. You can see mostly what it's got going for is a little bit of cloud cover, couple of snow showers, no big deal. But off to the west, we have another 2 to 3 disturbances that are going to come through here. The first couple are going to be pretty weak as they come through, but the one that we're going to see late in the weekend here is going to have a chance to drop some measurable snow in the mountains. So cool and largely dry for now. Again, a snow shower or 2 a possibility for us. That weaker disturbance comes in tomorrow into Saturday. Not a real big deal here. Maybe some high elevation snow showers, a few inches especially over the San Juans. And then we're going to watch this guy over the weekend. It's got the potential to drop advisory level snows for us in the mountains, meaning 3 to 6, 3 to 10 inches could be a possibility over especially the western slopes of the San Juans and southern San Juans as well. Before we get to that storm, though, some of these scattered snow showers you can see starting to push their way in here as we work our way into Friday afternoon. But as you can tell here, this isn't real impressive stuff, so that's why a few inches wouldn't surprise me. But what we have headed in our direction for late Saturday and into Sunday does look a little bit more significant across the area here, and that's what we'll focus on in our storm report. Status of the storm still off the west coast. Timing that we're going to watch for this one, Sunday into Monday, I think will be our best shot at the heavier snows. What to expect out of this deal? Will snow in northwestern New Mexico and in the northern mountains and San Juans of Colorado. Light valley mixes are possible down farther to the south. Bust potential on this, chances it doesn't end up being a real big deal, about 60%, but for mountain sections, it's not that high. So for mountain sections, I think essentially what we're looking at here is a pretty good shot at least some snow coming up in here. But the problem with this storm is about 3- or 4-fold. It's not particularly impressive as far as storms go, especially when you compare it to the storm we had earlier this week. So it lacks some of that strength that we saw from the last storm. It lacks a whole lot of moisture, and it's also going to kind of cruise right along here. But as we work our way through the next few days, we'll continue to watch the trending on this and see how it shakes out. Across the Northwest Plateau for tomorrow, temperatures in the 20s and 30s after a cold start, and then in and around the Durango area, we're going to watch for that possibility of accumulating snow Sunday into Monday, but mainly in the mountains. And same deal.